Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Simarchy, and welcome to a super quick tutorial on how to build a room inside of an attic. So the first thing you need is obviously a house with a roof. Now, by default, usually the walls are completely up or they are cut away, but when that happens, when you page down, you literally go down into the house. You can't get into the roof. So the way that you can get to the roof is by paging up to the top floor and then changing your view to, oops, there it is, walls down view. So now you can see straight into the attic. Now, normally if you just try to put stuff in here and you don't have the move objects sheet on, they will turn red, preventing you from placing them. So the trick is to turn on move objects on, bb.move objects on. Whole tutorial on cheats if you don't know what that is. That is linked in the description down below. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you all you have to do. It's super simple. Once you have the walls view down and you have bb.move objects on, just grab anything you like. We're going to go ahead and make a bedroom for this one. Just grab the furniture. Put it where you want. Now keep in mind, since we are using a slanted roof, you are going to have to put your views back up and just double check that it's not clipping through. And you will most likely have to player test this as well so that you can make sure that your Sims can use it without getting stuck anywhere. And real quick, a keyboard shortcut to do that, to change the wall view is, I believe, end. Yes, so home. If you hit home, it'll bring you to the full wall view, and then if you hit end, it'll page you down, well, not page you down, but take you down to the cutaway wall view and then the end wall view. And to go back up again, you would hit home. Okay, so end brings you here. And if you're not sure what keys I'm talking about, they are literally right here. Oh gosh, that's so hard to see. Home and end. I don't know if I'm even touching them, but they're in that general vicinity over there. All right, so to spare you, I'm not going to build the entire room, but that is the gist of it. And then, of course, all you have to do is grab a staircase and bring it up to the top floor. Now, you have a couple options. You can either just put it on the inside. It will not let you put it all the way at the edge because, again, the slanted roofs are going to prevent you from doing certain things. So I would just put it wherever it lets you and build the room around the staircase. Or you can build a room possibly from the outside, a staircase from the outside. Let's see if that would work. Actually, I'm not even sure. I can't imagine it wouldn't. I guess it would look funny, right? Because it's a roof. But I mean, I guess theoretically you could put a door up there and it should function okay. You just have to do some player testing to see what you can do. But there is your super quick tutorial on how to build inside of a roof. So I hope you have fun with it. You could do attics, you could do bedrooms, you could do storage closets, you could do kids' playrooms, you could do whatever you want. So have fun. I can't wait to see what you come up with. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on building. I have a beginner series linked in the description for people just learning how to build, and I have an advanced series for more cool stuff like this. So I will see you guys next time. Make sure to leave a comment below to let me know what type of tutorials that you would like to see, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye! Wait guys, before you go anywhere, don't forget to click over here to watch new videos and click on my face when I disappear to subscribe.